Hey there digital friends, in this video you're going to see about the MiA1 which recently received the 8.1 Oreo update. So MiA1, the budget Android One smartphone from Xiaomi, and now the MiA1 received the update. Being an Android One device, we must say that it took so much time giving the 8.1 update, whereas Nokia is much faster in giving updates as it gave 8.1 update in the month of March. There is a bug in the software update, so before you update your phone, I suggest you to back up important messages as in the messages app because they're going to wipe out during the update. The MiA1 updated from 8.0 to 8.1. So what's new? I'm going to give you the pros and cons of this update. So let's start with the pros. So there's nothing much change. Very little things like the power menu is changed and settings or system UI theme adapts to the color of the wallpaper, and sound quality is improved somewhat and it's better, and they updated the launcher and updated the G apps. And now with the cons, there's no triple support even with the 8.1 update, and there's no camera to API and even stabilization in the video recording app, and no FM radio app, and status bar, Wi-Fi and data indicators are still visible even with the 8.1 Oreo update. So here with the pros and cons, and the size of the update is 1.15 GB and it comes with the June security patch update. As this is the month of June and they have to send the security patch, and hence they send the Oreo update along with the security patch. Xiaomi also confirmed that they will be giving Android P update as it's an Android One device. So let's hope we get it faster than other devices as it's an Android One device. Thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.